circle, 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 another circle. These circles are making my brain hurt. So in this video I'm gonna make a drawing with a printer effect. And what do I mean with a printer effect? Well, it looks something like this. Something that consists out of all these dots. So let me explain briefly how this effect works. So as far as I understand printers, it works with the color model CMYK, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and key, which is black. So if you want to print like a full colored image, your printer will only use those 4 colors. So the way it prints, it's using cyan dots, magenta dots, yellow dots, and also black dots. And of course, since ink is semi-transparent, as soon as you start layering the dots on top of each other, they also create new colors. So this is basically what I'm gonna try and attempt for this drawing. So I'm gonna create an image that consists out of cyan dots, magenta dots, and yellow dots. And of course, when these dots overlap, I also have to use other colors like blue, green, red, and black. So you probably can only imagine that this work is going to be huge. But I am very excited and I hope you are too, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. Oh yeah, and before we start the video, I want to say a big respect to everyone who made the drawing inspired by my previous video. And here are a couple of my favorite designs. I mean, you guys are absolutely legends. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because the BAM Squad is on a mission to reach 100,000 subscribers. So do us all proud and hit that subscribe button. So instead of jumping right into it and putting a lot of circles on a piece of paper and basically wing it, for my own convenience, I think creating a reference image in Photoshop is not a bad idea. So that's basically what I did over here. And it's so cool to see all the dots when you're close, and when you're far away it really turns into the butterfly. So let's print this out and we're gonna start this whole project. Hope you're ready. Here we go. So I've traced a couple of the circles now, and I'm first gonna color in these circles because I know for a fact that it's gonna be very difficult and very challenging, but I need to know if it's even possible to color these in. Alright, this is what you have so far, and to be honest, I severely underestimated this. Let's start again by tracing some more circles. Let's go.
Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Feel I'm in the
Let's
mood
color
for a
again.
change up. I leave the city and return with my change up.
So this might look like I'm just getting started, but I've actually been working on this for a couple of hours. So this is what I have so far, and this is everything I still have to do. So let's go. This small area over here, it's like 10 hours of work. And look how much I still have to do. I mean, it's crazy. This is by far my most extreme special effect drawing. I might go insane after this. Here we go again. After so many hours and so many days, it comes down to the absolute last part of the drawing now. Let's finish this thing once and for all. Let's go! Yes, it's done. Whoa, this took me way longer than expected. But I have no regrets. I mean, I'm so happy I took this challenge and I'm really happy with the end result. I'm also gonna put this one for sale on my website, so if you're interested in that, the link to my shop is in the description. Also, another couple of things I want to mention. First of all, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you think of this drawing effect. And also, if you make a drawing that's inspired by this effect, make sure to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag Bamsway, because I am very curious to see what you guys will come up with, and then you also make a chance to get a shout out in my next video. I also want to mention that this video is probably gonna be my only video for this month, but don't be sad because I have a lot in store for next month, so stay tuned for that. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon in a new video. Take care.